Introducing the Muk Hot Paddle Brush. It straightens and smooths, it creates sleek, frizz-free results with effortless styling. It's quick and easy and has rounded bristles that glide through the hair. The paddle and bristles are made from ceramic and tourmaline to create the ultimate surface for smooth, static-free shine. The multi-length bristles are designed to reduce tangling and enhance results. The Muk Hot Paddle Brush has a fast heat up element which range from 90 degrees to 230 degrees to make it appropriate for every hair type and texture. It has a natural grip handle for comfort of use. It has auto shut off after 1 hour. It has a 3-metre long professional swivel cord. It has universal voltage, so it's appropriate for every country. And it's perfect for maintaining day 1 hair all the way through to the next shampoo.